Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to restore the Golden Mammoth Titan. Let's bring this forgotten giant back to life together.
Today we're taking on an exciting restoration project, Golden Mammoth Titan. We'll show you exactly how this massive forgotten machine is restored from extreme rust. Let's get started.
Wow, look at this thing. It's even bigger than I imagined. $17.4 meters. Noted. Verified.
The hull is heavily corroded here. Note the structural degradation. Focus on the hydraulic seal. It might be failing.
Almost there. Okay, watch it go. Clear back. It's moving, it's clearing the chassis. Nice. That's one down.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Okay. All right, lowering it now. Clear below.
Keep marking the path clear here.
We'll need a stronger tow line on this side.
Watch your step on the rough terrain.
Keep digging. It needs to be deeper. All right, stumping now. Push that dirt to the side. Good. All right, this one's tight. Watch that hydraulics line. Got it, it's free.
Clear up front. Chains secured on the Titan. Ready at the rear. Initiate power up.
Slow it down. You got it. Just a little further. Hold. Stop now. Chocks away. Unhook the chain. All right, lowering it down. Coiling the cables now. Chocks are secure. Lockout tags in place. Everything looks good to go. Verified. Let's start. Thin spot there near the weld, and a perforation here must be from corrosion. Checking for structural integrity. Mark that as urgent, code alpha 2. Checking armor plate, mark 1. Logging reading, 0.2. Good thickness, moving to 0.3. Green, that's a solid read. Suspect here, get another transducer. Hollow here, add a circle there, and a line across this support. Breach 102 alpha, confirmed, marking 102 beta now. Check thickness there, thin but stable enough to mark. Writing 102 gamma. I've got it up. Feel that. Too much play in the bushing, it's shifting. Yeah, it looks like we'll need to replace it. Keep it steady. Got it. Easy now. Easy now. Cinch it down. All right, she's secure. Line them up neatly. Marking them now. Almost done.
Connect the front hooks.
Right side is secure.
Check the tension on the back slings.
Try the oil again. Doesn't want to move. Doesn't want to move. Bring the heat. Watch the wiring. It's coming loose. Keep it steady. Slow down. Slow. Right there. Hold it. Rotating now. Keep it steady. Down a little more. Okay, it's resting. Start unhooking the slings. Got it. Okay, all clear on the top. Ready to lift. Careful with the edges. Watch the rust. Down it goes. Let's label this one. Side panel alpha.